Hi, guys. Today we're going to talk about why so many people make a lot of money, but at the end of the year, they have just a little or nothing at all. There are people that make 100,000 per year, yet at the end of the year, they have only cash left behind. And people that make 20,000 per year and manage to have 10,000 or more left at the end of the year. Why is that, you may wonder? Because it doesn't matter how much money you make, but how much money you keep. That's the hard part. Even for the most rich people in the world is very hard. Rich people have more money problems than the poor people. The biggest problem of rich people are taxes. They always have to find a way to pay as little taxes as they can. This way, they can keep most of the money they made and not share half of them with the government. This problem is also for poor people, but for them, it's not so harsh. You can make 100,000 per year and have negative amounts in your bank account at the end of the year when you are spending more than you earned. That's why it's important to save and invest your money first, and then spend from your profits that your assets made from. So, the right way of your cash flow is from your income to the savings account. From the savings account, money must go to various investments. Any asset that you have a little knowledge about, it is a good investment. Don't overthink. Just start to do it. Sooner or later, you will have more than if you spend it on useless stuff. It's just a matter of time until you can start spending money from your assets and not from your hard-working income money. You only need to have a little bit of patience and discipline, and the results are starting to show up. Now, you heard one more time that if you always spend your income on useless stuff, you will never reach financial freedom and you will work for money the rest of your life. That's all for today, guys. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this about savings, personal growth, investments, and more topics that will change your lifestyle, wealth, and of course, in the end, your net worth and achieving financial freedom.